Will waking up earlier really help me be more successful? Has someone told you that waking up earlier will help you be more successful in life? They aren't lying. Don't believe it? Keep reading to find out more about how waking up earlier can help you be more successful in life. You'll be more productive. Waking up earlier leads to many positive changes in your life that in turn lead to success. For example, when you wake up early, you will have more time to get things accomplished before the rest of the world wakes up and starts bothering you with emails and phone calls. When you are more productive, this will make it easier to accomplish your goals, which will lead to success. See how that works? Not to mention that getting up earlier will additionally help you feel motivated. Instead of struggling to get things done because you are tired after a long day of work, you will conquer your large obstacles while still having a new reserve of energy. You'll feel better. Look at the successful people in your life. They are probably happy and healthy. Well, both of those things are benefits that come from waking up earlier. If you still aren't sure, look at how many successful people like Elon Musk and Jeff Bezos claim to rise each day before the sun. When you get up at dawn, you will have time to take care of your health, as well as your self-care. You will have time to eat a healthy breakfast and exercise, rather than grabbing a donut from the drive-thru on your way to work. Additionally, you will have time to meditate or journal, two important habits to maintain your mental health. The combination of both these together will keep your physical and mental well-being in check, allowing you to worry more about achieving your goals, rather than having to worry about your body or mind adding stress to your life. You'll be more confident. Another key aspect to success is having the confidence to believe that you can do something. And this confidence comes when you are healthy, happy, and productive. And if you don't remember where these things come from, scroll up and remind yourself, as they come from getting up earlier in the morning. So whether or not you truly believe in the health benefits of getting up early in the morning, it is the key to success. Even if you aren't a morning person, you should start setting your alarm and become a morning person today.